same thing to his friend if he enjoys it. That person will do to the fourth person. People will get people, and they will be all in your organization, in your network. That is called leverage. So it is very easy in life. Now, every time you work for real estate, you are going to earn if you succeed in that deal. But after that, you have to work again with another client and make another deal. So as long as you work, you will earn. In network marketing, once you have set up the system with two people working and taught them how to do it, and supporting them and guiding them and inspiring them and motivating them, that's called leadership. That's what you do. Then he will learn to do the same to his downline. That person will do to the downline. Then there will be a time very shortly where you will not do anything because people are bringing people and they are in your network, like I explained to you. Because the products are useful, they are needed. If you know the research, video is the way the net is going. Internet 95% traffic, everybody will use video because they are engaging. So the time is right, and you are working with the world's class company, with the world's greatest people who are helping you from above, from below. Everybody is, it's a teamwork. Team means together everyone achieves more. It is so simple. Now, what amount of time you have to spend? Only 30 minutes. Because I told you yesterday, you are not supposed to explain the product. Because the first question, if you ask, what is it? Let me know. It's that normal. No, no, no. I won't. Can you spend 30 minutes, attend and live broadcast? I'll send you the link. If he is interested to earn money the easier way, all you have to do is come for the broadcast. The broadcasts are conducted such a structured way, such a beautiful way, by people who have already succeeded and earned billions of dollars and are earning that repeatedly month after month. Let them close the sale for you. Let them do the sales presentation. After that, you call them, what did you feel? How do you like it? Have you got any doubts? This is what is the kind of training you get in the Diamond Rush training. They want to ensure that within 3 days you have already qualified by your downline. We call a team maker, left and right, and then it continues. Within 3 weeks you are earning 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. That if you follow the system, there is a manual given to you called Diamond Rush training. So
Yeah,
basically, to shorten it, to
it's
make it
very
summarize it,
beautiful.
it is only about inviting people. That's all. If you can learn the art of inviting people and making them attend your presentation, hello, that's your job is
Yeah,
done. Let the sales presentation, let the queries be handled by the top guns, we call it, because they are achieving their blue diamonds, royal blue diamonds. They have already earned, and they are earning continuously every month the kind of money that you have to start earning. So you are getting fantastic support from your team leaders up at any level. So I want to explain to you in a summary what it is all about. You may use the product, you may not even. There are millions of people who are earning lakhs of rupees, not even using the product because they are in it for the money. They are in it to share something good, which is wanted by everybody, you know. And he will find. So if two people can find two people, it keeps on going like a viral, and you are earning instantly. That's the beauty of this. Why I like this company. Any other company will take procedures, paperwork, 1 week, 2 weeks to pay you. Here you get it in 3 minutes on your card that I showed you yesterday. So anyway you look at this business opportunity, you will not want to do any other business. This is the simplest business, the most reputed company that is growing in any country. It is in all the languages. It has the most beautiful products, and there is no reason you would want to hesitate because the timing is right. This is the new revolution that is happening. Every see how we are talking to people. Mr. Sunil is in Bombay. You are in Koregaon Park. I told you, I don't need to come to your place. You don't need to come to my place. So you don't need to meet at a hotel or a coffee shop. Like this, we can have daily 10 people and we can talk and exchange ideas and explain the company either this way or through the live video broadcast, which Top Vision has. Now you tell me whether you would like to upload your videos on YouTube, Vimeo, or on Talk Fusion Wall, and use the video email. Then Fusion Wall is just one product. I'm talking of 8 products. What about your video email? You will no more be typing text mail in Gmail or Rediff mail. The world will shift to video mail because video is the mode of communication, not text. And in that video, we'll go on a template which you can choose from thousands of templates which are there in different categories, say for Diwali, for Eid, for Ganesh Chaturthi, or you can select your own custom design branded template with your photograph, your company logo, banner, So when people see the video, they will also be seeing your company name, your banner, your logo, your links, your phone number, and so you will be promoted. That is another just one product, video email. Then I told you about auto video responders, video newsletters. So if you're getting a complete package of 9 products, which otherwise also you will take by paying monthly to 9 different companies, this is all in one. Anyway, and you're earning money and you're earning 10 times the money that you're paying, there is no reason anybody will want to reject it. And if he still wants to reject it, you don't have to waste your time with him, because you need to find only 2 or 3 people and help them to find 2 people. That simple it is. Only 2 people getting 2 people regularly will lead you to earning 5 lakhs a month if you calculate on the compensation plan. And you're getting paid 7 different ways and you're getting paid instantly. So it is worth making that small investment, because the kind of money you will earn by a traditional business of McDonald's or Subway or any other franchise, you count the amount of investment you have to make in resources, properties, rentals, overheads. Here there is nothing to deliver physically, no courier to be sent, no logistics to be handled. It's online activation. So now you can tell me what other doubts you have. Your smile is telling me that you have nothing to say. Sunil, he's smiling so nicely that he's already decided. Now I know that he has decided, but I want him to buy the package which will earn him 6 times with the same person joining. So he will find out which fixed deposit he has to break and he has to invest in his life, in his future, and work from home, so that he doesn't have to run to here and there to show property. I am discouraging people to do real estate and replace that time and energy by this way of working 1 hour. And I'm giving him the leadership support, and not only me, I'm giving him better people than me from America to hold his hand and make sure that he earns 5 lakhs a day or week. And he'll bless me. And he will say, yes, I got a great leader and he showed me this opportunity and it has changed my life. And today I'm living in a mansion. Believe me, it's a genuine thing. And there is no risk. And very shortly, within 1 month, when you have recovered your investment, you are operating a world-class business for free. As much as you have fire in the belly, you are able to earn. And there is no stopping. Not only Koregaon Park, not only Maharashtra, not only India. You can be doing this business sitting at home in Germany, France, UK, US, Africa, 140 companies. You can't make a mistake. Somebody in India, say nobody in India is going to see a point. Who's stopping you from talking to people in Germany or in Dubai or in England? And you have to get 2 people and they have to get 2 people. That's all. Your job is done. Unlimited, infinite levels downline. Instant pay. With your own branding product for as it is which you need for promoting your present primary business. What is the argument, Anil? I know the argument is whether I'll start with executive package or elite package or pro package. I say jump into the water, buy the pro package, earn 6 times, recover that 1 lakh within the first month, and then you are earning for free lifelong. You will not do any other business. You will not waste your time. You will only do 1 hour, and rest of time you'll sleep and drink beer on the ocean or take your girlfriend out for a movie and give money, diamonds, go and buy. You give money to your mother, to give your family, to give your friends. You can spend on me. You can take me to London. Because there's money coming every day, every hour. Just imagine. This is the most exciting thing to do in life. Yeah. You won't have time for anything else. And whatever time you have, you'll want to just do your hobbies, your passions. Plus, you will be going for all the grand events. You'll get a Mercedes car if you achieve the goals, targets. There are many good things to do in this life, but nothing compares to you. There is that song, no? So there is nothing that comes. I'm not saying Vema is good. I told you Inspired Living is good. Sunilji, he was actually thinking of joining us for that small monthly $10 Inspired Living. I said, एक बार बड़ा काम करना है, छोटा छोटा काम करेगा, 1 महीने के बाद पैसा आएगा, ये instantly आज पैसा आएगा. People need money now. I need money next hour.
Yes.
So I am activating all my Top Vision network team who has forgotten about Top Vision because they got into other things. But let's focus. I told Rajesh also, because Rajesh also said that I need to look at network marketing because my traditional business is not working. And I knew it was not working.
Uh-huh.
Okay, when you tell them it
Uh,
won't, they won't agree. But when they go through time, they'll remember what you had said. After 6 months, they'll come back to you when they are
correct.
ready.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
me.
Am I right, Sunil?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
So, and this company is going
Finish.
to be there even after 6 months if you want. But why should you wait 6 months when you can start your life now?
Correct, correct.
Am I being too aggressive? But
No,
because
I
I
don't.
believe in it, I believe in myself, I believe in this business, so I can speak from my heart. And tomorrow you
Yes,
will be speaking from the heart when you have made your money.
yes, yes. And because you're speaking from your heart, people are going to get attracted
So
towards the
when you have
business.
experience, there is something called experiential truth. Yesterday he
Yes,
said, I
sir.
want to sign up right now. I said, Anil, wait, don't be in a hurry. I want you to
Uh,
sign up for the right package, not the
correct.
executive package. Because I know that you will be able to invest by taking out from some savings or selling your shares because he is a big investor. He has, but
Uh-huh.
he wants to first start small and then grow. I said, why one person will join, you'll get 3,000. If you join with a pro package, if you join, then he will get
Hmm.
12,000 straight away. And
Correct. Yeah.
within 1 week, he'll have recovered his money because he's a businessman.
Yeah, yeah.
So now, Anil, the mic is given back to you. Now you tell us all that and how you will help our team grow because I know once you join, then you will be the leader taking it forward for me. I will
Yes,
just
yes.
go to retire. I already retired. I got
Yeah.
Sunilji helping me. He's getting people. I am earning money because of his effort. Like him, I got so many others. Now I want one more leader, one more diamond in my crown, and all of us actually will work as a team like this daily for
Yeah,
1 hour.
it
For
has to
one
be
hour.
that way. Yeah.
And Anil, I've got people waiting to join me. If you take the decision faster than those people,
You are
you
higher in
sign
the
up
line.
now. That person, Rajesh, he's a genius. He is doing few. I'll bring him on the hangout in the afternoon. He stays at Kothrood. He's a software genius. He makes for over 400 builders in India. He has made interactive 360-degree walkthrough. He does work for Maharashtra government, that MCHI, Maharashtra Chamber
MCHI.
of Housing Industry. He's done for
Okay.
Vibrant Gujarat. He does for all very big government corporations in Gujarat and Maharashtra. And he's joining Top Fusion. He's already joined Top Fusion, sorry. But I will put you in that same network. And together you can imagine you can spread it in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Pune, India, abroad. You will not feel like doing any other physical movement type of work. To go and meet somebody, to go and show a property or show a land, which you do not know how much time will take for him to buy and then to register and then to pay you your commission. I am not interested in real estate. I will do it. I told you if people push me to do it, just out of that, okay, he wants to trust